Hello, boys and girls, and here is activity number 2 for today. So, first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the microphone button, and we are going to decide which items are heavier and lighter. So, it says to color the heavier item red. So, which one do you think weighs more? A tree or a flower? A tree weighs more, definitely. So coloring that red. And then it says to color the lighter item blue. So the one that weighs less, we're going to color blue. Okay. Then apple and penny. Which one do you think is heavier, the apple or the penny? The apple is heavier. So I'm going to color the apple red. And which one is lighter? The penny. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to do that for all of the pictures, comparing them heavier and lighter. And then following this black arrow, it says to draw something heavier than a piece of bread. So I'm going to get my pencil out and I'm going to think of something that might be heavier than a piece of bread. Maybe it's me. I know I'm heavier than a piece of bread, so maybe I could draw a picture of myself. And then over here, I'm going to draw something lighter than books. So I'm going to draw something that I think might be lighter or weigh less than the books. When I'm done, I'm going to click the green check mark and send it to my teacher.